Good morning. We, the students of Aryaman Vikram Birla Institute of Learning, Haldwani, welcome you to the YouTube link of our British Council project under the banner of ISA, which was titled Teen Zines, a Window to the World of Teenagers.
While doing this project, we had many new experiences and gained knowledge about gadgets, PowerPoint presentations, softwares, etc. This was a whole new experience for us, and it was a wonderful journey.
As we moved ahead with this project, we came to understand all the aspects which go into making a teen magazine. Initially, we just used to read magazines, but this project gave us an insight into how these magazines come to the readers.
Yes, and this project also told us how the magazines have the impact on the readers, that is, mainly the teenagers.
The extensive research done by the students on magazines available in various countries also brought them face to face with the themes which are preferred in those countries and which magazines do the teens like to read.
This project also told us the Indian teenagers about the lifestyles of the teenagers which are sitting abroad.
Here we can see the beautiful presentations on the softboard which tells us the level of excitement within the students for working with this project. It also tells us the research done by them.
This project brought out the total creativity of our students, like the whiteboard drawings, their research work ability, etc.
Here we can see the students collecting informative data from the teen magazines. Here we can see that the excitement of the students also urged them to come out with a wall magazine.
Yes, this wall magazine was prepared by our student editors. This is a total overview of our school.
Not only this, but working with this British Council project also gave us a global dimension to our reading habits, a global dimension to the information we have about teen magazines.
This gave us all a global view and also told us how the teens of the world are thinking, what is their thought process.
Talking about these teen magazines also reminds me that Himanshu, we did not have the magazines available in other countries, so most of the students also consulted their relatives and friends for the magazines.
Yes, this shows us how the students were engrossed in this project and how they liked the project. They contacted their relatives sitting abroad and asked them for the magazines they have available there.
Like most of the other projects, what I liked about this project was that it was not only confined to books. It also touched upon some very essential parts of our life, that teamwork, time management, how to cope up between studies and curriculars.
Yes, this project brought out the time management schedule of the students. They manage their studies, as we are in class 10, they manage their studies with this project. This was a very important factor of this project.
And this project also it also played a significant role in increasing the level of confidence of the students, because I remember that in the meetings which were held and in the research work, students which I expected would not speak anything came about with very innovative ideas.
Yes. Here we have another view of students researching on the internet and working on their computers, making their PowerPoint presentations. Magazines were not only the source of information for us, but internet, this was also a major source for us. We gathered video clips, we gathered sounds, everything, almost everything from the internet.
Moreover, this project working with British Council was not just confined to pen and paper. I also like the fact that we gathered information from the internet, we gathered information from books, but finally we brought it on screen in the form of an appealing PowerPoint presentation.
Yes, that's sure. And also that the PowerPoint presentation gave us knowledge about not only about the teen magazine, but also gadgets and new softwares.
And the information which we gathered for comparison, I feel that also played a significant role. It was an integral part, because hadn't we gathered information on comparison, so simply giving the readers a number of teen magazines, the names of teen magazines would be in vain.
Yes, this comparison all gave us an outlook about what had a great impact on us, as we would know how the teens think over that countries, and also use some of their very good ideas and some of their very good values and inculcate them in us.
Here we could see a few students, some on laptops, some with pens and paper, some with magazines. The level of excitement is quite evident from their faces, busily going through the magazines. So this tells us that yes, the students enjoyed and they had a good time, a good learning experience working with this.